people are doing crime at the church in the graveyard, he calls the cops because that's what a person would do. But then so often he's done that and those gangs have like gone after him for snitching and it's like yeah, he's a civilian, he's a guy. Why don't you go after every local who calls on you when you're dealing drugs, huh?
Right, yeah.
Why don't you hunt them back down? Like no one was just mentioning about snitching anymore in conversation. No? I don't know. People just don't snitch anymore? Dude, the one of the most fun things in the animals was snitching on each other. It got so bad at some point where someone was like, we really have to stop snitching on each other, guys.
I tried to bring it back outside of Dirty Dogs
Outside of Dirty Dogs?
when we met Mickey.
Who did you snitch on?
The cops came up and I wrote him a note that said it was like, check the guy with no shirt pocket. He's got drugs.
What the fuck is happening with my sewing machine right now? People snitch, but the definition is not like an argument point. No one is saying that's not snitching, dumbass. Can you explain that to me as if I were a child?
In caveman terms,
Are you saying like what I'm saying? Like people just consider anybody calling the cops equals snitching? Is
oh,
that what you're saying? Thank you for calling tech support. No one is saying or doing that anymore. Oh, okay. So like if a civilian calls the cops, no one's like saying it's snitching. Like they finally understood what it means. That's what you're saying. You're saying this in a good way. Like people have grown brain cells. Grown brain cells in one way, more like brain cells allocated there but lost in other areas of commons. It's a trade-off, man. There's always a trade-off. It's like when you open the BIOS. Everyone's brain has the BIOS. I think snitching on people is fun. You just call the cops, man. Because you know what? There's also too many people playing characters that fucking hate cops to the point where they almost forget that there's a player on the other side of that, man. Like,
it
people
gets
are
so toxic.
mean. Like, do you want this person to feel like playing still? Because you're not helping. I like being nice to the cops. Everybody is so mean.
The curly boy.
Huh. Bro, people in No Pixel Public are like a whole different weird breed.
Bro,
I miss the days when we were in No Pixel.
I remember I was on No Pixel Public and they stole my Tim's and looked at my ID. And apparently on the ID it shows like how like it your like number tells how new of a player you are, and they're like, "Oh, of course it'd be one of these guys," and we're like,
But that's not RP.
they were singling me out because of fucking being new on there. Yeah, your state ID is sequential and not random.
Huh. But what if you make a new character?
The character's IDs.
So you're not really new. If you, or is it like based on your whitelist? All right, so now I'm gonna open this up. Dun dun dun.
They just kept stealing my Tims.
Oh, got you. But like, what if you're not a new player, but you've made a new character? They're still gonna think you're a new whole ass player?
Yeah.
So they're dumb.
Yeah.
Uh. But we weren't on public. We were. This was whitelist, no pixel. Like, is technically.
Especially if you didn't have eyebrows, yeah.
Like, is our whitelist still good on no pixel? Owl? Cops are aggressive now. I miss like, remember, was it Daquan who was like, "That's what did he say?" He was like, "That's what's up" or something like that. What was he saying? Oops. No, I'm talking about Daquan. No, I wasn't Shirley. That's what's up. Yeah. Huh? Yes, but I'm not sure. It's that out. The 10-4 rubber ducky guy. Yeah, with the winter jacket. And BK Primal's character. Kareem Leon. Junk. We had 20 holidays. What? Looking like a bucket hat
Oh
now.
yeah, it looks a lot more like a bucket hat now.
Oh, 20 characters, last name holiday. For real? Was I just unaware of this and I just thought it was always the same guy?
Can I put water in that?
Boy.
What's wrong here?
Oh, you know what? I think you're right. You know who I still see occasionally though? Voice Voice ID. I'll see him streaming sometime. I'll go say hi. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Back when cops were characters, man. I think it's important as a cop character to be somewhere between a fully fledged character and a bit character.
It was Randy Jackson. For me.
Fucking Boba Stone, is that who you're talking about?